The Jungle Engineering Contest, a story about engineering with fruit. Written by Young Learners Curriculum, Level B1. Milo stepped into the jungle camp, backpack secured and shoes slightly muddy. "Today's the day," the teacher announced. "Your challenge is to build the tallest tower from fruit. Use your brain." Eager to impress, Milo grabbed some bananas and started stacking quickly. He was confident he could win first place. Milo worked fast, placing the fruit one on top of another. His tower grew high, but not very stable. Suddenly, it wobbled. Then, with a dramatic shake and slide, crash! The fruit scattered across the ground. Everyone went silent. Zee approached calmly and handed him a fruit. "Start with a wide, steady base," she said, smiling. "That's the key to a strong structure." Milo took a deep breath. "You're right, I rushed it," he admitted. "Let's try again, together." They placed coconuts at the bottom and balanced bananas in pairs. With every layer, they paused and checked the alignment. The tower grew taller, straighter, and stronger. Onlookers began to gather. Even the judge leaned in to admire it. "That's looking impressive," he said. Milo gently placed a leaf on top. It wobbled slightly, then settled. He didn't win the gold medal, but that didn't matter. The judge awarded him the Build of the Day ribbon. Zee gave him a proud nod. "Thanks," Milo said. "I couldn't have done it without you." Now Milo is a building master. From apples to soap bars, from books to plastic cups, he practiced every day. He even taught his friends how to plan, test, and build with care. Milo had learned an important lesson. Failure is part of success, and teamwork makes it stronger.